Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another awesome video on the channel. And guys, everyone always makes productivity videos about morning routines. They want to see like people waking up at 5 a.m., going to the gym, doing like 6 hours of work in the morning, and then finally they get to their actual tasks. But no one talks about night routines or like evening routines, you know what I'm saying? So in this video, I'm going to show you my evening routine, what I do after I finish work after 5:30-ish, and how I stay productive and do all that. I'm going to give you some practical advice on what I do to actually like stay motivated and disciplined. Side note, motivation runs out, discipline does not. And yeah, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop right into it and let's check out what I do after I finish work and stay productive at night.
Okay, so here's my current setup. I got laptop, keyboard, mouse, PC, work computer, and work mouse and keyboard, but whatever. They're both plugged into my monitor. So I kid you not, as soon as I finish work, this is my personal computer and mouse, this is my work stuff. As soon as I shut this laptop at 5:30 every single day, basically saying I'm done with work, I shut the laptop, the screen goes dark. You know what I do? I come down here and I literally press that power button. I'm not even joking, there is zero time in between. And how do I do that every day? It's called discipline, ladies and gentlemen. I literally go from one thing to the next. I literally have just been working for like 8 hours straight. I shut that and I turn on my PC because I need to study. And let me explain what I'm studying for.
Okay, so like you guys probably have no idea what my career is. I haven't really mentioned it on this channel very much, but I work as an actuarial analyst. I see like videos all over the internet about like people talking about their careers, usually like productivity / tech related channels. So I was like, maybe I can make videos about like being an actuary. I'm not an actuary yet. I'm an actuarial analyst, which means I'm an aspiring actuary because I have to take like roughly 10 exams and a bunch of modules and a bunch of other certifications in order to become like an FSA, a fellow actuary. So I have to study for these exams in order to be certified. And I'm hoping to do so within the next like 5 to 10 years roughly, depending on how I pass these exams. So I have to study for these exams, and this isn't your standard exam that you can study for like a week. You need 3 months roughly to study for each one, depending on like the level of difficulty. Obviously it's gonna vary a little, but 3 months is like the average time you need to actually like study for these things. So I have to work as well. Like I have to make a living. I can't just sit here and not work for the next 5 to 10 years. So my program I'm in, they allow me to study during some work hours, but I have to study for the majority of the time in my free time. So that means I have 2 jobs at the moment. I have my actual work that I'm doing for this company, and then I actually have to study every single day in order to keep the information fresh because there's no formula sheet, and this exam is really difficult. Well, all of them are pretty difficult. It's difficult, and so you need like so much repetition, and I use coaching actuaries and all that to study. So the reason I stay motivated is because I have a big goal in mind here that I want to pass all these tests. There is no like laziness or procrastination when it comes to studying. Like I need to do this every single day. If I don't, I'm gonna feel disappointed. I'm not gonna pass. I know what it needs. I know what I have to do in order to pass, and that's put in the work. And that's a life lesson right there. If you want to achieve a goal, put in the work, and you'll get there eventually. It's just gonna take time. So people, after like roughly, I don't know, like 2 to 3 hours of studying after work, usually around like 7:30 to 8 o'clock, I'll eat dinner. That is super exciting in and of itself. That's why you guys want to see this video, right? You just want to see me do a mukbang and like eat dinner right now. So yeah, finish studying up here. Immediately after that, I'll get yelled at to come eat dinner because I'll usually be up here for longer than I should be because I'm like in the zone. I'll go eat dinner, and then immediately after that, I'll get ready for the gym. So I keep forgetting to actually film myself going to the gym. So here's a quick montage of me working out at home, which I also do. But yeah, I did actually go to the gym today. This is just gonna be some bonus footage for you guys because I don't think you really care about me like going to the actual gym and filming my workouts and stuff like that. So enjoy. people, so we are back from the gym. I'm recording this like a couple days later, so I'm probably gonna insert some gym footage or me getting to the gym before this clip, because I forgot to do so today. So stay tuned for that, which you already saw it. But yeah, came back from the gym. Next, usually on my routine is traditionally like quote unquote relax, but for me, I don't really relax, so that could be learning something new, or reading a book, or doing an online course, or editing YouTube videos, or a podcast, and then maybe I'll actually get to the real sort of like relaxation time, which involves like, I don't know, like actually watching YouTube, or like a movie on my computer or something like that, or stream something, or watch a TV show. So yeah, that's basically it for like the rest of my night. It's pretty boring, I'm not gonna lie. Like the end of my nights, it's when I like get time to decompress, because like once I go from studying to like the gym to like eating dinner, it's like I don't really like have time for anything. So I'm working on it, trying to have like a better, like well-rounded day, and make time for the relaxation. So comment down below if you struggle with this. I definitely do, but I've definitely gotten a lot better with time management, and college definitely helped with that, and I was pretty good at it in high school, but overall I'm getting pretty good because I do have right here a whiteboard. That's how I keep track of literally everything I need to do, as well as I do set reminders in my phone all the time, and I also do use sticky notes, which is kind of old-fashioned, but I still use it. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you learned something interesting about my evening routine and everything I do. If there was any piece of advice for you guys to take away from this, it's that go from one thing to the next using discipline and get it done. No excuses, no complaining. Just go from one thing to the next, limit your amount of breaks, and then once you get everything done, then you can relax at the end of the day. Get your work done first, goof off later. That is the motto of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, peace. See you in the next video, guys.